Good morning. Today we are going to work on lesson 2. We are going to relate skip counting by fives on the clock and telling time to a continuous measurement model, the number line. Let's take a look at our problem set. It says follow the directions to label the number line below. Letter A. Ingrid gets ready for school between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. Label the first and last tick marks as 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. So here's 7 and 8. Each interval represents 5 minutes. Count by fives starting at 0 or 7 a.m. Label each 5-minute interval below the number line up to 8 a.m. So here we would have 7:05, then 7:10, 7:15, 7:20, 7:25, 7:30, 7:35, 7:40, 7:45, 7:50, 7:55. Ingrid starts getting dressed at 7:10 a.m. Plot a point on the number line to represent this time. Above the point, write D. So if I take a look at my number line, I'm going to find 7:10, plot the point, and label it D. Let's look at letter D. It says Ingrid starts eating breakfast at 7:35 a.m. Plot a point on the number line to represent this time. Above the point, write E. Go ahead and do this one on your own. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So here is 7:35 and I need to label it E. Let's take a look at letter E. It says Ingrid starts brushing her teeth at 7:40 a.m. Plot a point on the number line to represent this time. Above the point, write T. Go ahead and do this one on your own. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So here's 7:40 and I'm going to write T. Look at letter F. It says Ingrid starts packing her lunch at 7:45 a.m. Plot a point on the number line to represent this time. Above the point, write L. Go ahead and do this one on your own. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So here is 7:45 and I'm going to label it L. Let's take a look at letter G. It says Ingrid starts waiting for the bus at 7:55 a.m. Plot a point on the number line to represent this time, and above the point, write W. Go ahead and do this one on your own. Pause the video while you work and replay when you're ready. So here's 7:55, and I'm going to write W. Let's take a look at number 2. It says label every 5 minutes below the number line shown. Draw a line from each clock to the point on the number line which shows its time. Not all clocks have matching points. So the first time is 5 o'clock. That means 5 more minutes would be 5:05, then 5:10, then 5:15, 5:20, 5:25, 5:30, 5:35, 5:40, 5:45, 5:50, and 5:55. So, why don't you go ahead and look at the digital clocks first. Match the time with the time on the number line if it is there. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So the first digital clock is 8:35. I see that my number line starts at 5 and ends at 6 o'clock. That means that 8:35 is not on the number line. The next digital clock says 5:15, so that matches here. The next digital clock says 5:40, which matches here. Now let's look at the analog clock. I see that the hour hand is in between the 5 and the 6. It's not quite at 6 yet, so that means it is 5. And then the minute hand is pointing to the 10, which means it is 5:50. So on my number line, I'm going to plot the point here and then draw a line to match. Take a look at the next analog clock. First, figure out what time it is showing, and then draw a line so it matches on the number line if the time is there. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So I see that the hour hand is pointing at the 6. The minute hand is pointing at the 2, which means it is 6:10. If I take a look at the end of the time on my number line, it's 6 o'clock. 6:10 is after 6 o'clock, so that means it is not on my number line. Next, take a look at the last analog clock. Figure out the time and then draw a line to match it on the number line below. So again, I see that the hour hand is in between the 5 and the 6. It's not quite 6 yet, so that means it is 5. And the minute hand is pointing to the 5 on the clock, which means 25. So 5:25 would be here. Your assignment is to finish number 3 on the problem set and then complete the exit ticket. Make sure your name is on the exit ticket and put it in the turn-in tray. Your problem set can go in your take-home folder on the Leave at Home side. I'll see you tomorrow.